This device will display your biodata. Another identification officer will check your name in the printed voters register to confirm that you are registered. An inking clerk will ask you to dip your index finger in the ink. This ink is not harmful to your health. The ballot paper issuer will then give you a ballot paper for the presidential candidate. He or she will read out all the names on the ballot paper. You will be asked to go to the ballot booth to tick or thumbprint your preferred presidential candidate. Fold your ballot paper and put it inside the presidential candidate's ballot box. After that, you will go to another table where you will be given a member of parliament ballot paper. You will be asked to go to the ballot booth again to tick or thumb stamp on your preferred parliamentary candidate. After marking your preferred parliamentary candidate, fold your ballot paper and put it inside the parliamentary candidate's ballot box. From there, go and collect the last ballot paper for the local government candidate. You will be asked to go to the ballot booth again to tick or thumb stamp on your preferred local government candidate. After ticking or stamping, fold your ballot paper and put it inside the local government ballot box at your polling station. After voting, proceed peacefully out of the polling station without loitering and wait at home for the official announcement of results by the Malawi Electoral Commission. The Commission is urging all citizens to go out, cast their votes with confidence, and contribute to building a peaceful and prosperous future for our country. The Commission acknowledges with appreciation the largely peaceful campaign period and commends all stakeholders for their responsible conduct. As the nation enters polling, we remind all Malawians that peace is the cornerstone of credible elections. We call upon all stakeholders and the public to participate peacefully, knowing that the Commission has put in place systems to safeguard the credibility of the election and to uphold the democratic will of the people. The Commission urges every citizen to remain calm, tolerant, and law-abiding before, during, and after voting. Elections come and go, but Malawi endures as our common home. Let us safeguard it with unity, dignity, and peace. To our traditional leaders, we call upon you to continue guiding your communities with wisdom and to encourage all eligible voters under your jurisdiction to exercise their right to vote peacefully. To our faith leaders, your role in promoting peace and unity is invaluable. We urge you to continue preaching messages of harmony, tolerance, and national cohesion during this critical period. To all political parties and independent candidates, we commend you for your participation in this democratic process. We call upon you to encourage your supporters to turn out in large numbers to vote and to accept the results with dignity and respect for the will of the people. To all registered voters, this election belongs to you as citizens of Malawi. We urge every one of you to go to the polls tomorrow, cast your vote with confidence, and do so peacefully. Remember, your vote is your voice. Let it be heard, let it count, and let it strengthen our democracy. To the vibrant youth of Malawi, especially first-time voters, this is your moment, your voice, and your future. The Commission calls on you to rise to the occasion and take your rightful place in shaping the destiny of our nation. Go to the polls in large numbers, cast your vote with pride, and show the world that Malawi's youth are not just leaders of tomorrow, but the drivers of democracy today. Your vote is your power. Use it to secure the Malawi you want to live in. On polling day, the following rules must be observed. No person is allowed to wear party colors or political attire when going to the polling center. Campaigning of any kind is strictly prohibited. Supporters and candidates should not disrupt the peace or intimidate others. Let me reiterate that the campaign period officially ended on 14th September at 6 a.m. Any campaign activity beyond this period is illegal. The media is reminded not to broadcast or publish any campaign message as stipulated by the laws. On behalf of the Commission, I extend heartfelt appreciation to all political parties, candidates, civil society organizations, the media, traditional and faith leaders, security agencies, and all Malawians for ensuring a generally peaceful campaign period. As we go to vote tomorrow, let us do so in unity, peace, and with respect for one another. Together, we can uphold Malawi's democratic values and ensure credible, free, fair, and peaceful elections. As we go to vote tomorrow, let us do so in unity, in peace, and with respect for one another. Together, we can uphold Malawi's democratic values and ensure credible, free, fair, and peaceful elections. Let every vote count, let every voice be heard, and let Malawi's future shine brighter through the choices we make together. May God bless Malawi and our democratic journey.
That was a special message by the Malawi Electoral Commission MAEC Chairperson, Justice Annabel Ntalimanja. Malawi Electoral Commission. Cash Yapeka! Ready to turn your luck into instant cash? It's time to play Cash Yapeka.